Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Yusuf and today we are going to create a complete uh, point of sale management system, and this will be a advanced level management system. You just have to follow me and I will show you how to create this system. And if you have any question in your mind, you just have to put that question into the comments of this video. I will create this system step by step. So first of all, you have to install two softwares, two setups. First is Composer, that is required for Laravel. You can find that here. Here is the link for Laravel docs. I will put this link into the video description and you will find that. Okay, first requirement is Composer. When you will click on Composer, it will show here like this. So you just have to click this download button and install this software. The next software is XAMPP server. So you will find here XAMPP. After that you will click here and open this link and you will find the XAMPP setup. So you just have to install two setups. First is Composer and second is XAMPP server, and you are ready to create the Laravel project. So if you have any problem, you will just put your question, your query into the video section. So here you can find the command to install the Laravel or create the Laravel project. I will simply copy this command and put in the my favorite PHP Storm text editor. You can use your own favorite text editor like Sublime, VS Code or anything other. But I will use the PHP Storm because I like this and I will use this. So I will put the command here and after this command I will put the name of my project. So the name of my project is point of sale, and I will put the flag here Laravel. So after putting this command you have to put this optional mm, flag. This flag will help you to see the progress of your project. While creating the project, it will show you the progress. I will simply click the enter button and it will show me the progress of my project while creating. So it will depend on your internet speed that how much time it will take to install the project on your computer. So we have to wait until it create the project. Our project is created and now I have to open my project to run the further commands. I will open my project folder that is here. So I will simply select this folder and open over here. So now you can see that we are in our Laravel project. So next thing is that I have to connect this project to my database. So we have installed the XAMPP server. I will simply open the XAMPP and start the services. So after this, I will click on admin of MySQL to create the database. So I will create the database here and name this as POS, point of sale. So you can see here my database has been created, and now I will go to the uh, environment file of my project and put here the name of database. So you can see here the existed name is Laravel, but I will replaced this name with the POS, and after that I have root user and no password. After this step, I will simply go to the my app service provider, and you can find that in the providers app service provider, and here you will put the default string length. So first of all I have to put here schema. Sorry. mm, Schema. So now I have imported the schema. My favorite text editor is automatically importing the libraries. But if your editor is not importing that libraries automatically, you have to import this here, like like is given here. Use eliminate support kids and schema. And after importing that, you can use this library. So default string length I will put here 191. After putting this here, and I have to simply run a command in the terminal, that is php artisan and migrate. I will enter the button, and you can see here, after refreshing the page, the all tables of my project are showing here. Users table, you can see your email, username, and everything. So I have connected my project to the database. After that, I have to, and now I will run my project simply by putting this command here, php artisan and serve. It will run my project. I will simply copy from here and put this URL into my editor here. You can see here the stuff by Laravel. These all stuff are coming from our project in the resource folder welcome view. You can see that stuff here. I will simply replace this code with my name, Muhammad, wrong name, Muhammad Yusuf. And I will go to my browser and refresh the page. You will see here my name. Okay, guys, if you have any query, any question, or any problem, you will put your query or question into the comments of video. I will respond immediately. You have to follow all videos step by step, and if you have any question, you will inform me. Okay, bye guys.